Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on Bitcoin. We will take a look at the 4-hour time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 4-hour in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 4 hours. So this here may look like a couple weeks worth of time. It's actually just the past few days broken down into 4-hour time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Friendly reminder, Bitcoin is open 24/7. So if you're watching this video 15, 20 hours from now, after I upload it, then yeah, the chart for you is going to look different. But my goal here from the presentation point of view is to keep this video relevant for as long as possible. And I'm going to do that by talking about more so general levels and then walking you through some questions. And based on how you answer those questions, that'll dictate the current status of the chart. The first adjustment I'm going to make here is just use this green line up here, and this will be the first question to ask. And let's go with that 15-hour number. So let's say you're watching this video 15 hours from now. Question number one revolves around nothing fancy, just that green line right there at 7,400, and in particular, just where's the price at relative to 7,400? As long as you are answering the question that the price is up above that level, then the chart's basically as strong as it can get. Now, of course, if the price is up over 8,000, well, then it got stronger. But I'm saying that in regards to, from a consolidation standpoint, because you can stop and think about it. Let's say that the price has come down here, and it's behaved like that, and maybe it's just still sitting, right around here when you're watching this 15, 20 hours from now. Stop and think what that would still be telling you from the bigger picture. Well, that'd still imply that this is a set of lows, and then you have this set of lows, and then you have these lows down here, and so on and so forth. And if you envision each one of those as stair steps, then overall the stair steps would still very, very clearly be going in the upwards direction, which, like I said, from a consolidation standpoint, that is a very healthy environment to be in. So like I said, 7,400, is definitely the ideal level. With that being said, if you're answering the question that the price is down below 7,400, don't take that as, well, that implies the entire chart is now destroyed. I'm not saying that either. I'm just saying that, preferably speaking, what would make the chart look the best, certainly holding up above 7,400, but more so from the overarching point of view. So meaning if you're answering the question that the price is down below 7,400, the next immediate question you'd want to ask yourself is, okay, well, where's the price at relative to that purple line there, which is the 50-period moving average? So right around 6,600. Now, if somehow you're answering the question that the price is all of a sudden down below 6,600, again, I'm not going to go as far as saying that implies the entire chart is destroyed and ruined, but that would be, all right, let's kind of pause here for a second and take a little inventory check, because that would imply some pretty big bearishness has occurred. I'd be shocked if you're answering the question in that way, but, just kind of an FYI, in that situation. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, just like I've been saying for those of you that will follow my videos, just keep on using your gut instincts and common sense, meaning if you're watching this 15 hours from now and the price is, all the way up there at 8,500, well, obviously the bulls are not only still in full control, they've just taken that much more control of everything. So from the, the resistance standpoint, don't even worry about resistance levels. As long as the price keeps on chipping to higher bases, then everything else will take care of itself, including, breaking levels of resistance as you've seen over the past several weeks now that I've been doing these, and the price just keeps on grinding higher and higher. So again, I'm a little jealous of those of you that are watching this 15, 20 hours from now, because as of right now, it's kind of a question, is this getting ready to go even further or what? And you'll know the answer to that. But really the main thing, as it's been, is just continue to watch those bases, and as long as those bases keep getting higher and higher, that's what you want to see. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up, as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.